And this is file 23-6664 FH. We're here for a docket call. We've got jury trial scheduled for August 29th and 30th. Prosecutors filed another X notice. I think that brings me up to speed. Mr. Gilbert, what's our status?
My conversation with Mr. Roth as of today, I was asked trying to verify and confirm that he plans on going forward with trial on the next week, and couldn't quite get a straight answer that he did not want to accept a plea. My assumption is that we're still on for trial.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Roth?
Yeah.
Okay, so trial is a week from this coming Thursday, August 29th. So we'll be here for jury selection in person, begin the selection at 9 a.m. So I'll ask for proposed jury instructions not later than this Thursday then. Anything further from the people?
No, thank you.
From the defense?
No.
Okay, Mr. Roth, we'll see you next week for the trial.
Okay.
I have a question.
Sure. Well, you want to double check with your lawyer?
No, is there any motions I can file in the meantime?
Well, there's not enough time for it. The trial is in a week. The case has been pending for a long time.
Okay, can I make a statement then?
Sure.
Wrote this morning. This is just what I've experienced. The Michigan Indigent Defense Commission sets forth standards for counties to uphold in their offices of indigent defense. A public defender must look at a case based on how the indigent sees the facts. Each county is supposed to have superior public defense. If not, how does an indigent properly make sure that there are checks and balances? And that's a question I have not been able to get answered. I've not been given any advice. I have mentioned and tried to persuade Mr. Gilbert and Dr. Libby into understanding my version of the facts. However, they continue to ignore it. Currently, Cheboygan's Office of Indigent Defense is undergoing a revamp, training on $10,000 worth of new computers and office chairs. Should allow them to properly execute their jobs in the future. Hopefully, Dr. Libby can show Cheboygan that it has superior public defense. All in all, I do not believe my case has gotten the attention it deserves. And I know Marlon McCown from the MIDC will continue to oversee Cheboygan's public defense system, achieve its standards. I believe my current case deserves more attention in regards to the things that were said in the past cases involving me. I believe there is a chronological way in which the events have unfolded. So all I ask is for more effort, continuity, and checks and balances going forward. Lastly, I would like you, Judge, to consider holding off my trial until Cheboygan's public defense is up to par and the runoff election for the Presque-Hill probate position is filled.
That has nothing to do with the Cheboygan case. We've got fine indigent defense here. Mr. Gilbert is one of the finest lawyers we have in our defense system here.
Okay.
He takes plenty of cases to trial. He wins more than he should. So he does great work, and he's done great work for you. He'll continue to do great work for you.
Okay.
If you don't like the indigent defense system in our county, stop committing crimes in our county and go somewhere else.
Okay.
See you next week at trial. All right, is this Mr. Favor?
Yes, sir.
All right.